Hey everyone, it's Anna, and today we're going to be unboxing BIG SARGE. We haven't done an unboxing video since upgrading to the Deluxe press, so we wanted to show you what comes with the PNW Deluxe press package. We have these in 3 exclusive colors now, our signature pink, Sasquatch, and BIG SARGE. When you open the box, you will find your 2 free practice tumblers. These are great for doing strip tests on. You'll get a power cord, lots of styrofoam packaging, and then pull out the beast. Get that box out of the way here and unwrap to reveal the gorgeous matte olive drab green and tan coloring with black accents. This color option was designed by our military husbands and in honor of our U.S. veterans. The first step after removing all the packaging is to plug the attachment cord into the control box. Next, you're going to want to make sure that your press is in Fahrenheit. You're going to press and hold the button down until you get to the SL2. 1 is Fahrenheit, 0 is Celsius. So we're going to put that back to a 1. And then we're going to set our temps. Press the button once for your target temperature. Press it again to set your printing temperature. And then finally press it one last time to set your time. The up and down arrows will adjust the numbers for you. Press the button a final time and wait for your press to heat up. You can purchase your PNW Deluxe press package in Sleek Big Sarge, Shimmery Sasquatch, or Sassy Signature Pink at pnwsub.com. These are ready to ship now from the Pacific Northwest or PNW.